Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, another adventure attraction. Dito pa rin tayo sa Northern Territory. Dito pa rin sa Darwin with si Kuya, Jack's brother, si Ate, Jax and I guys for today's video. So guys, are you ready? What are we waiting for? Happy watching!
Yeah, it was only last night. See, it's got kind of got like ramps or like little platforms, I think, behind the sort of like a concrete wall there. Like I know that's where they launched them from last night, so they weren't hitting the shade part. Yeah, our boat's not even at the dock yet. This one's still parked in its spot. Don't think so. It's really sort of nearly fully booked. Oh. I think I stuck last night there. I must be moving the boat to 3 after this one goes. That's all twos there. Too big. I'll see ya.
They're required by law to conduct an employee safety briefing and we kindly ask for your attention for the next 5 minutes. In the event of an emergency on board, you will hear our muster alarm signal, which is 7 short rings, followed by 1 long ring on the ship's bell. Our muster stations are located in front of the bar.
But there was still no response, and as he stood on this rock, realising how fast the tide had come up, he knew that he was going to die. And so he laid down on top of this rock, and that's where his spirit rested.
Voila, just fishing tops.
Big boat like this, the main display spot.
It's pretty much a big sheltered bay, is it? Or?
Yeah, you've got a little shelter. Because there's loads of shelter by the other islands.
Yeah, we probably won't have much of like a foreground as such.
Yeah, you know the one that's like red, like gold to the...
Because usually we'll capture part of the beach and then that's in the background here you'll be on the water.
Yeah.
Right, no, maybe if it sets in front of a boat you get this, but it's all red.
With a mix of cultural, natural and historic attractions. Its history is rich and has been shaped by indigenous cultures, European exploration, World War II and natural disasters. Our cruise commentary is just a sample of what has shaped Darwin, and we encourage you to experience some of the amazing tour operators, purpose-built facilities and natural wonders to take a deeper dive into what has shaped this beautiful place.
So, make your way down the far end with the oysters up, please.
Is that active or? Yeah, probably is, so that's how it looks like that. There's a lot of radars or antennas and stuff on there.
There's active boats over here.
Cookers have ruined it. You probably should get anti-vaxxers. Oh, that's stalwart. Is that the boat name there? Stalwart or? Oh yeah, it says it there, HMAS Stalwart. I think the sun's going to set pretty soon actually. I remember that was... I was going to say, I thought that was just floating something back there of a sea whiz.
That was only made in 2018. Yeah, middle beach.
Oh. Egg there, there's oyster, prawns, crocodile, chicken, kangaroo, patatas, small chicken, barramundi, lots of vegetables. Set up.
On that fateful day, the residents of Darwin began their daily routines unaware of the impending threat. Suddenly, the sound of air raid sirens filled the air, signalling the arrival of an enemy force. Panic ensued as people rushed to find shelter. Their lives about to be changed forever. The sky above Darwin darkened as two
Yeah, I did a shoot run.
Wow, sana all.
Wow, sana all.
Kind of like a custard, pretty much. Yeah, it's got like a... You want a panna cotta? What else does one want? Cheesecake. You'll get that.
Hello, do you want apple crumble with custard?
Yes, please. Thank you. We have
Apple and mango crumble. We have ice cream, we have a panna cotta and a strawberry cheesecake. Set up.
Australia faced a devastating natural disaster, Cyclone Tracy, a Category 4 tropical cyclone, struck with unprecedented force, leaving a lasting impact on the lives of those who experienced it. As the citizens of Darwin prepared for a festive Christmas, little did they know that a formidable force of nature was gathering strength off the coast. Darwin residents rushed to designated shelters. For some, that was a laundry or bathroom. Parking at the same place you boarded the vessel. The crew will advise you that it's safe to leave the vessel. Thank you for joining us on Charles Darwin and allowing us to share this special part of Australia with you. If you've taken any photos, please don't forget to tag us at Darwin Harbour Cruises on Facebook and Instagram. We love hearing about all your great experiences and feedback. Please scan the feedback QR code or visit the feedback station.
Thank you. The Matunda waddle. Just the... Why? I know.
Andrew because he's
Why?
Andrew is he's full.
So, that's it, guys. That's our Darwin Harbour Cruises, guys, or the Charles Darwin Buffet Sunset Cruise. Dito pa rin tayo sa Darwin. And if you haven't checked our Darwin attractions, guys, in our previous videos, we walked through here dito sa Darwin Waterfront. Nakita niyo yung Darwin Basin. Nakita niyo yung Darwin Water Lagoon, guys. So, kung nakita niyo briefly doon sa video na yun, nandito siya. Nandito tayo ngayon. So, we will do a sunset buffet dinner dito sa Darwin Harbour Cruises, guys. So, there's a lot of company doing a sunset cruise dinner buffet, guys. So, this will take 2 hours and 30 minutes, guys, na sunset view while you eating your dinner. So, there's a platter of kangaroo, crocodile dishes, guys, and other seafood dishes with drinks, guys. So, drinks is not included, but the buffet is a decent buffet, guys. Nakita nyo naman, there's a decent platter, foods, dishes, guys. So, makita nyo, there's some of the green, like salad, and some of the kangaroo dishes. And kung nakita nyo kanina doon sa ating video, so, yun na, guys. So, this is one highly recommended. So, palagi siya na sold out. So, you need to book ahead, guys. So, I will put their SOCMED in my description box down below if you will heading to Darwin in the near future, guys, dito sa Northern Territory of Australia. So, yes, highly recommended po siya. So, yung boat is named Charles Darwin. So, nakita niyo naman yung cruise kanina. So, while you eating, there's like onboard commentary doon sa background namin. And then, makita niyo naman, nag-sail tayo doon. Makita niyo yung water lagoon. Nakita niyo yung over the sea. So, makita nyo, it's a beautiful sunset. Buffet dinner dito sa ating harbor, Darwin Harbor Cruises dito sa Darwin, guys. So, yes, guys. So, after the full meal dishes, guys, so we have a decent sweet desserts. Nakita nyo naman kanina, guys, the Aussie desserts kanina doon sa ating video. And yes, guys, so hindi kasama yung drinks dito. You need to buy or purchase your drinks in the bar section, bar area, guys. Meron silang decent toilet also. Meron silang assigned table for you if you have a big group, small group, couple, and like a small big groups, guys, and so on and so forth. So, madami mag-a-assist dito sa loob ng cruise. So, yun na nga, guys, is the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching, you learned something today, plus you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting our video, and mega love shout out each wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye, guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao.